Hello, brothers and sisters. I'm making this video in preparation for the upcoming completion ceremony for uh, this winter. I think you're the winter 2021 batch, and we are excited about it. The program is um, the program came from the area. This is the universal or program that is followed by the pathway program anywhere in the world. So we have the parts of the program, and the sample is found in our GC. Just have to check on the old photos from the GC. This was from the second batch, the spring batch. Sister Barb's would be meeting you, and together with Sister Jo. I'm not sure if you're going to invite Elder and Sister Flores, uh, but when the batch of this semester, the new batch of 2022, I think they could already be doing the program for this new batch. But since we're from the old batches of 2020 up to 2021, so and that's the reason why I'm still with you guys, our brothers and sisters, to help and support you with this um, ceremony. Sister Barb's has already sent out the topics. So basically, there are three topics for three speakers and a theme. So you'll have to decide on the theme. I think she also sent one. And the topics for the talks will, of course, um, tie up with the theme. A special musical number from your batch, from your group, and testimonies. Then the awarding of certificates. The video message must come from Brother Joni, and the previous message, Sister Barbs, you need to get it from Sister Siton. And Sister Siton will request for the latest video message for completers for from Brother Joni. This she will have to request from um, Elder and Sister Tolentino. However, I'm gonna still check my email messages for the latest video message if I have. But if I don't, well, we have to. I mean, ask Elder and Sister Siton to request this from the soul leaders. The closing remarks usually comes from President Natarde. So the names of completers also in the program, acknowledgement, and this is the how do you call it? The program, and the PowerPoint presentation will also be what whatever we find in the program will be presented during the ceremony in a virtual ceremony. So you will have to make a PowerPoint presentation which is different from this. It's not just a screenshot of the program, it must be in a PowerPoint presentation style. You could also include the certificates. You could get the copies of the student certificates and include them in the PowerPoint and their pictures or whatever ideas you have of presenting it in a virtual ceremony. Well, that would depend on your creativity and your own discretion. But what we had in the past was uh, the program embedded in the PowerPoint presentation. It's not a screenshot of this, of what is in in the program. It's a PowerPoint presentation that has the names of the graduates included, the completers, and their certificates, and the music maybe. So Joanne, and Seti are very much experienced with this. About the Zoom link of the completion ceremony will come from the state. and regarding the one conducting must be from the High Council or from the yeah. You have to talk about this in a meeting. You have to gather yourselves together to talk about the program preparation and the testimonies that would be recorded. Um, so that's it. So you, Joanne and Seti, just have to go through the pictures from the GC here and the programs of the previous batch. These are some of the photos of the physical ceremonies we had. So I guess that's it. We have already sought the help of Joshua with the schedule. So the official schedule would be on the 20. When is that? On February, right? Not on the 26th, but the students chose February 19th, 4 p.m. Okay, we already have that noted by the stake through the help of Joshua. So that's it. At least this week we can accomplish something. The program uh, and the assignments. So by next week we already have the PowerPoint presentation and the invitations. So